This is the virtual tour of 896 Wescott Square, apartment 202, here on May 31st, 2018. So coming into the apartment, one thing you'll notice is a nice big kitchen. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath apartment on the second floor. It's been remodeled recently, kept up in good condition. Got a fire extinguisher when you walk in the door, and a door panel to open and close the door for your for visitors. Mini blinds on all the windows. It has a window air conditioner, does not have central air. We'll look out here. It's a non-smoking apartment, but if you do smoke, you can smoke on the deck. It overlooks the parking area. Nice neighborhood. And we're going to pan back around to the kitchen from here. Everything, by the way, is bigger in person than it is in the video. That's just kind of the way it is. So be prepared for that. We're going to go around and see how clean everything is. Just so you see that this is not a some junk apartment. And on the other hand, if you're the one that moves in here, you have to return it to this condition as well. So yeah, everything is nice and clean. So we're going to just kind of look at everything. Clean sink, even under the sink. It's covered with laminate, or I should say vinyl, so it's good shape. So it's 3 bedrooms. So the first bedroom is a small one, and this is about 8 by 10. In addition to that, we have about a 2-foot by 6-foot closet. Closet is nothing fancy, but it is a closet. It's got a closet rod, shelf, carpet on the floor, obviously, bifold doors. Not really much to this bedroom other than it's a bedroom. It's got a washer and dryer in the unit, full size. So the second bedroom is we call the master bedroom. It's 11 by 12, as I recall. And the thing about this bedroom is, if it's the master bedroom, that's the bedroom where the people that are paying rent sleep. That's the way I like to look at it. There's no bathroom attached to it, but it's got those are 6-foot closet doors, and there's at least a foot on either side of it, so it's got about an 8-foot by 2-foot closet. Freshly cleaned carpet. So that's the second bedroom, which is probably the biggest one. Bathroom straight ahead, we'll come to that later. The middle bedroom, this room is, as I recall, about 9 by 13. It also has a 2-foot by 8-foot closet. Bifold doors, nothing real fancy. All the closets are the same, just a shelf and a closet rod. And of course, looking out at the window, and I should have maybe looked at the other window, but it has a park in the back. A little hard to see maybe, but you can see some equipment there. Maybe if I kind of go like that, you can probably see even better. So then coming back around, hopefully we don't get dizzy watching this spin around here. We're going to come back. We got a linen closet straight ahead here, and we'll open that up and take a peek. Nothing fancy, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves. Actually 5 shelves. So we got that. The bathroom. The fan is on, so it's a little noisy when we come in here with the video, but that's what making a noise. But it is nice. It's got a two faucet vanity, tile floor, ceramic tile floor, clean tub, decent shower head, towel bar here, towel bar there. And like I say, nothing fancy here, but it is a nice. And underneath the vanity it also is lined with vinyl, so it's a good solid vanity. Laminate floors throughout, except for the bedrooms, of course. You have your own furnace. The hot water heater is downstairs. It's actually an older furnace, but still going strong. And there's a closet right when you walk in the door, and that, once again, 6-foot doors plus about a foot on either side. So it's about a 2 foot by 8 foot closet as well. And that's the tour of this apartment. It's about 1,100 square feet. 3 bedroom, 1 bath, washer and dryer, window air. And that is the virtual tour of 896 Wescott Trail. I'm sorry, 896 Wescott Square. You can see the island. 896 Wescott Square, apartment 202 here on May 31st, 2018.